Hello everyone, welcome to a small terrible channel. Today I am going to teach you how to use this keep up file that I am going to send to you about the Science 7 self-learning module quarter 1. So all you have to do is for Windows and even for those who are using their mobile phone, you just have to download KOTOBEE Reader. Okay, in KOTOBEE Reader, after you download, you just open it, then click on open EPUB file, then you locate the location where you save your EPUB file, click, then open, then just wait for your EPUB file to open. If it won't, okay, it's loading. It says here it's loading. Alright, so let's just wait. Let's go over to this self-learning module for the benefits of those who cannot download KOTOBEE Reader. So all we have to do is they are going to download this video itself and pause if they want to answer. It's loading. Let's get it again. Let's just wait. Okay, it's ready now. Okay, so this is our self-learning module now. So for the benefits of those who cannot download a KOTOBEE Reader, so I'll just show this. Okay, so let's start with this page. Okay, you can just pause this, and this is the pre-assessment, and later on the answers. Okay, these are the answers. They are highlighted. Next, Calorie Dashboard carousel. Just click on that. This is the first step of the scientific method, asking a question. Second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step. So there are labels below it, so don't you worry. Next, okay, we have this in our YouTube channel. So this is basically Okay, after that video clip, we have here the search for it. So you should locate 10 word or words describing this here. Okay, you just pause this if you want to answer it. Next. Okay, we have here the keep this in mind. Example. Doing background research. Example. Just pause this if you want to read it in your own. Construct a hypothesis. Example. Then we have the terms under testing your hypothesis. We have independent variable, dependent variable, control variable, experiment, materials, procedure. Then example for testing your hypothesis. Then analyzing your data. Example. Okay. Then communicating your results. Example. Alright. Next, drag and drop. After that, you just submit. The next, complete me. Then after that, just submit. Next, the evaluation part of module 1. Then after that, just submit answers. The answers are highlighted. Glossary, answer key, references, then module 2 for the elements. next tutorial,